guys, it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning the master bedroom and the kitchen. So if you want to see how I get these things done, continue to watch this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, thank you for coming back for another video. I hope you guys enjoy. Now, I'm a working mom and I am very guilty of washing clothes and not folding them up right away. As you can see, these clothes were washed before, but they always end up at the foot of the bed on the stool. So I know I'm not the only one guilty. It's okay as long as you get it done. That's all that matters. I know I do all the time, and I'm sure you guys ask yourselves this. I always end up with socks with no mates. I know for sure that when I wash them I have both, but it drives me crazy. Where do the socks go? If you know where the socks go, maybe they're in the dryer or somewhere. Leave it in the comment section. I would love to know. I love my vacuum. It's a Shark upright vacuum, the HEPA filter with a lot of attachments. But I'm noticing that I really need to invest in a cordless Dyson vac. So that's on my to-do list of something that I need to gift myself that will make cleaning a whole lot easier. As far as my dishwashing routine, I really don't have a routine. I guess just at the end of the night, I sort of, get the dishwasher going. So I kind of accumulate the dishes throughout the day. I mean, we work every day, 5 days a week, 6 days a week. So we really don't use a lot during the day, but the evening time is when we have the most dishes. So of course I'm running the dishwasher overnight, every night. So I don't empty it that morning because we're at work, like I said, but I do try to empty it before it's time for me to put more dishes in it. That's usually how that works, and that may be after dinner so that I can put the new load in. Now, I don't know if any of you guys go through this. We're a family of 4. We have 2 boys, so I feel like we go through so many dishes just to be a family of 4. So let me know if you share that same, I'm not going to say issue, but the same deal that we go through with all the dishes that we accumulate in a day.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I've got you in my space. I won't let go again.
I really have to come up with some sort of mail station in the house. If you guys have any ideas, please leave them in the comments below. The issue that we have is we bring mail in and we just sit it on top of the microwave after we go through it, and then I let it accumulate, and then every once in a while I'll go through it and throw away what I need to. So if you got any suggestions, please leave those below. I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, the infamous junk drawer. This is one of the junk drawers in the kitchen that I just hate, and you know, it's one of those things that, you know, sometimes don't become important. So I just was, you know, at Dollar Tree and picked up some of those little organizers and said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this drawer organized with my husband and kids. I'm not sure how long it will stay organized, but I will enjoy it once I get it done. You just never know how many things you can accumulate in one drawer. So now I've gotten everything organized. Believe it or not, everything that was in that drawer had a place. That little toolbox, I ended up getting it from Dollar Tree a year ago for Father's Day for my husband, and we just put a lot of little snacks and stuff in there for him. So that's a good little idea if anybody's looking for any gift ideas. Other than that, a lot of other things that were in the drawer was, you know, tools, like I said, screws, nails, all that kind of stuff that I put in that container. And then cords, charger wires, and then the last bag was, of course, our 8-year-old, just a lot of the pieces to his Nerf guns and things like that. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. Alright, you guys, this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed cleaning with me today. Again, my name is Tamara Michelle. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. I would like to hear from you guys just to kind of connect a little bit. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.